Solid-state relays are generally considered to be more reliable and durable than electromechanical relays, as they don't rely on mechanical mechanisms like coils and contacts to perform switching action, but rather use semiconductor devices to control the switching operation. However, they do still suffer the same heat, age, wear, and tear failure that most electronic devices are subject to. In this video, we will delve into the common causes of SSR failure and explore the ways to extend their life through proper installation and maintenance. Number 1. Overheating. Overheating is a frequent culprit in relay failures. Poor thermal management can lead to excessive temperature rise within the SSR, accelerating the degradation of the semiconductor devices, shortening the relay's lifespan. To combat overheating, a proper heat sink and ensuring adequate ventilation around the SSR can help alleviate thermal issues and maximize its lifespan. Number 2. Voltage spikes and surges. Voltage spikes and inrush currents from inductive and capacitive loads may suddenly damage the SSR's input and output elements, especially during power fluctuations, impacting relay functionality and accelerating its aging. To mitigate the influence from external loads, install surge protectors and voltage regulators to protect relays from sudden voltage changes. Number 3. Overloading and overcurrent. Exceeding the relay's rated capacity with excessive loads or current can bring about excessive heat, leading to thermal stress and failure. Another cause of failure is overvoltage. Subjecting the SSR to voltage levels higher than its maximum rating can cause breakdown of the semiconductor devices, leading to complete relay failure. To prevent overload and overcurrent, you need to carefully calculate the load requirements and properly size the SSR for the intended load. And you can enhance safety by implementing appropriate current limiting measures, such as fuses or circuit breakers. To address overvoltage, you can use surge suppressors or transient voltage suppressors to safeguard the SSR from overvoltage conditions. Number 4. Improper wiring. SSRs used with loose screws, imperfect solder, or unsuitable wiring can cause abnormal heating while current flowing and eventual burnout of the relay elements. To prevent this, perform proper soldering and wiring. You can take it a step further, keeping signal and power wiring separate and using shielded cables to minimize electrical noise and interference. Number 5. Contamination. The installation environment also plays a crucial role in ensuring the reliability of solid-state relays. Contaminants like dust, dirt, or moisture can infiltrate relays, causing short circuit and operational issues. Regularly clean and inspect relay enclosures. Use protective covers to shield relays from contaminants. Number 6. Age and wear. Solid-state relays, like all electronic components, deteriorate over time with use, increasing the likelihood of failures. Periodically inspect the SSR for signs of damage or degradation can help identify potential issues before things get worse. Or to rest assured, you can replace the aging relays with new ones so as to maintain system reliability and performance. In conclusion, understanding the reasons behind solid-state relay failures empowers you to take proactive steps in maintaining the reliability of your electrical systems. Remember, preventive maintenance and proper installation play key roles in ensuring the reliability of solid-state relays. More importantly, selecting high-quality SSRs from reputable manufacturers is also essential for ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your electrical switching system. ATO Online Store is such a right place to go for you to explore a wide range of high-quality and cutting-edge solid-state relays, as well as essential tools and accessories that can help keep your electric switching systems in optimal condition, from heat sinks to surge protectors, fuses to voltage regulators, all designed to optimize your system's operation. Visit ATO.com now and elevate your electrical setup to the next level. Thank you for joining us today. While you're at it, why not go ahead and hit that like button for us if this video helped you out in any way? And don't forget to subscribe for more insights and solutions on electric engineering and automation projects. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. We can't wait to see you in our next video.